Where are we? What is this?
We are in Disneyland.
We are in Disneyland.
We're not in Disneyland.
We are Indian.
Look at the moon. Jaden, look at the moon. Look at the moon. Where are we now?
In Abu Dhabi.
Mandir Dashan Imyas.
Asna.
Asna daw, Asna.
The flowers.
Dito. Dito muna simula.
Don't touch her, don't pick up the flowers.
Yeah, it's not allowed.
Fairy tales. Right?
Oh, there's fairy tales.
Tales now. Look at the fairy tales. Oh my gosh, there's some big giants.
Yan, Nicholas, you want to go to bathroom? Mommy, Nicholas want to go to bathroom. Wow, look at this.
Taj Mahal.
I told you. Yeah, Taj Mahal. Look at this, Jaden. Mommy! Boy, wait for us. Yeah, we will go there. We will go to castle now. But we need to wait for mom, right? What you gonna say? What is the place now? Look at the place. What did you see?
Disneyland.
Is this good?
No.
Good or no?
Why there's a bell there? Bell!
This is like a chapel. This is a
There's a bell!
Hindu church. Yeah, this is a Hindu church. They are praying there upstairs. Later we will see what is inside. Okay? Hi, Jaden. This is a church. Be quiet, huh? Don't play there because that is a church. Everyone is only silent. Okay? They are praying. Okay?
Why is it ringing? Why is the bell ringing?
Tony, here.
Come in here when you go out there.
You have to come through this
Let's
way.
go.
They're coming down from there. Oh, okay.
I guess.
We need to go inside there so that we can go upstairs or over there.
Another one.
How was the place?
So solemn.
Yeah.
Water. There's a moose.
So nice to swim, right, Jaden?
Yeah, the water was so
Look,
blue.
there's an ant.
There's an ant.
Yeah. You're not go there. This is dirty. That one is dirty.
It's okay to walk here? shoe house. Ay, huy, bawal. Shoe house.
Also,
We need to put the shoes there first before we go upstairs. Here, inside. Saan kayo nagpunta?
nagpinta kami. Hindi kami.
Isa pa. Hindi natin mga ate.
Bed, one more.
Let's go again. Here. Jayden, Jayda. Go. Let's go. Where's our sister?
Where's your sister?
Todo picture naman eh.
One. This one, Mom.
Ate!
I need to.
Ganda rin yung amoy sa Linambo, no? Din sa ano? Ito, pinuntahan natin dati. Gandang ganito. No, sama-sama na lang, Diyos ko Lord. Diyos ko Lord, sama na lang.
Put it here.
Put it together. Mommy and Daddy put it together. Jayden and Jayda put it together.
Where is
Together ba yan?
Wait naman. Oh.
it's sticking the flower?
Lagyan nyo na lang dito para iisa lang ating tinano.
Sinisa.
Doon kayo sa taas. Pagsamahin nyo na.
Yeah.
Oh, si Jayda. Jayda, come. Jayda. I know you will get tired.
I don't like
Ganito din ang amoy sa inyo.
Ano na restroom?
Ha? Washroom?
Dali.
Oh, man. Wow. Let's join the middle. Mommy, picture. Uy.
Saan sa camera?
Ayan.
Aba.
Nasaan yung mag-iinak ko? Hala, may camera 360 doon. Pwede kaya doon? May naikot, diba? Saan kayong mga mag-asawa? Hala, bawal na ang videos doon sa loob. Bawal na picture at saka video. Nasaan na ang asawa ko? Nasa loob na pala sila. Ano naman yun?
It looks like it's so beautiful.
You stand up here. Both of you.
I didn't stand up.
Here, only here. Daddy, take picture.
Oh, there's stars in it.
Ah, yeah, this one. Let's take a picture of this one.
Why?
It's a figurine. Look. A little figurine. Video. Huh? We will go back there na. Jada, say hi. Jada, say hi first. This is a bell.
Daddy!
Shh. Wait, don't. It's not allowed inside. Go out. Go out, Jaden. It's not allowed inside. That's why there is a, ano, right? Sorry, they say sorry to brothers. No. It's not okay like that, huh? Not allowed, huh? Brother will... Yeah, so,
Round here, right side.
ay, and then go there? Ah, okay. Sorry.
Grounding, Daddy.
See? Did you see? This is bird, right? Wow. Oh, don't touch it. It's not allowed, Jada, huh? That is, don't go. It's not good to go inside. Oh, what is this? A wolf? It's also have a wolf and a bear. Did you see? That is a wolf and a bear. I don't know. Let's go again. Come. Oh, see? Yeah. There's a swan and a lot of baby birds. Did you see? Oh, here. There's a lion. Did you see? A lion. Oh, it's not how. Just look only. Just look. Oh, it's a lion and a rat.
The lion?
Mommy, is this a story? A lion and a rat. Hey, look. Look at. There's a lion and a rat. Niligtas siya ng rat. He's a tiny.
All is story.
That's why I'm so curious bakit ganito to. This is all a fairy tale. Kay Jada. Jada.
Hey! Jada, look at tita. Yeah. Yung nga may flash. Maliwanag.
Look at that. Ali. There is swinging. There is swinging.
Can I hold come in?
Mas na kayo. Or mas kayo dyan. Jada, excuse.
Come here.
This is Abu Dhabi?
No, that is... Yeah, Abu Dhabi. That is Abu Dhabi. Wait, don't touch. It's a donation box. Yeah, it's a donation box.
What's that?
Donation, that one is the one you will put in your, this one. Let's see what is this. There's a tamaraw.
Where's coming down?
There, a tamaraw. Or a bupalo. I don't know. And also an elephant. Don't step that one. They will, ano yun. Oh my God, look at this. Look at that. Look at the elephant. Have a face.
Well, I want to see. Where is it?
And here, look in the camera. You see? Let's go. Ay, sorry. Come. This one also. This is...
Onyx.
Yeah, it's onyx.
Onyx?
Yeah. Oh, let's go.
It's giving it Goliath.
Who's Goliath?
Lion.
Oh, is that a lion? Yeah. Lion and tiger. Yeah.
Lion.
Yeah.
Lion!
Yeah, it's a lion.
Lion!
Yeah.
Lion!
Look at, they have three faces there. There, 3 faces. Did you see?
Yes.
They have a 3 face. It's not allowed to go inside. Oh my.
Lion!
They are so nice.
Lion!
They do this one?
Lion!
Yeah.
Give me a Goliath.
Look at that. They have a, yeah. Look at that. There is a wings over there.
Where?
There, in the figurine.
Yeah.
In the sculpture.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
This one, the rabbit and the ano. The pagong. The rabbit. The rabbit.
Yeah, I mean,
Oh, also a cobra is there.
can you find a camel?
Yeah, we can find a camel.
It's a lot.
It's a lot of camels.
Let's go, let's go.
Can you find...
Ah, take a picture daw, sabi.
No, 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 no.
Take a picture.
दिव्यश्चालोकितः शुभः जप्योऽयं सकलैर्भक्ते दत्तोऽयं हरिणा स्वयम्
Mommy! Mommy! Yabo! Yabo!
ವೀಸಾ 30 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಕ್ಕೆ 30
You have to go inside first. Have to go inside, to the right.
हम लोग आराम से आ जाएंगे आप भी
Ano, nagmamadali?
Nahihina kami.
Sabi ko, ano ba itong mga ito? Iniwan na ako. Saan ba ang banyo? Saan ba ang washroom?
Meron dyan. Jaden, wrong, my love. Let's be with Jaden. Jaden, you want to be with? Jaden.